It's been a long time since I made a video. Well, a couple months, but you know, last one is probably like snowshoeing, and now it's like 25 degrees out here, so I got a new hobby. Today we are going fishing, but not just normal fishing, going magnet fishing, because anything magnetic has no choice but to come up with me and this magnet. Fish, they have a choice, and they never want to come, so we're gonna try this out. Basically, I've seen a few videos on YouTube, thought it was pretty neat. We'll see what it's like. This is the second time I've gone. First time, got a bottle cap, a drywall screw, and a fishing hook. So hey, that's a W, I think. So we'll see what we got. I'm just pulled over on the side of the highway here, and I'm about to toss in. There's a couple people fishing over here to my right, so I'm gonna go on the other side of the highway, toss the magnet in there, see if we can find anything. All right. Let's see, right there, concrete slab, baby. Oh, too short for this shit. It's the highway up there. All right, let's see what I got here. There's my finds from last time. Coors Light bottle cap, screw, hook. That's the other hook for the magnet. Victory! It's got thread locker on it, so I don't think it's going anywhere. Oh, come on, what's that, baby? Oh no, camera down. Yo, right when we got something. What do I got here? Yo, I got some nails. That's a W. Yo, what do we got here? I got pliers. Oh, look at all these clams. Yo, they still ply. Oh, and then the old nails. Couple real old nails. Yo, that's a big W. Look at these. Look at these. Someone just dropped them in while they were fishing. Sick. Another one. Those are just rocks. Come on, let's see what we got on this one. Some more nails. Oh, I think I put that in the same spot. Learn how to throw, nerd. Oh well. That's fun. What do we got? Yo, bottle cap. Moosehead, baby. That's pretty good beer, actually. That bottle cap is still in like great condition. So unfortunately, someone probably just threw that in there. Or you lost it while they were fishing. Give them the benefit of the doubt, you know. Probably threw it in there. But hey, give them the benefit of the doubt. Oh, there's one creeping up over here. Oh. Right there, you see him? There's another one right here. Okay. A couple more nails. Bull! Finally, something new. Nice. Looks like just a piece of scrap. Ooh, another bottle cap. Oh, actually, no, it's probably a blue. Or Bud Light. It's like that blue shiny color. See if we found a little some. Yo, what is swimming towards me? Do we go the other side? Go chuck it in over. Yeah, we gotta go. Let's go the other side. These people are gone. Go, 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 go. You guys don't like it. We're gonna check it out across the street where those people are fishing. Oh, there's my car. Go, go, go. Oh, and just that way? Oh, look at this car. Come on, baby. Let's get some treasures. Oh, see? People just throw their fucking trash. This is why I'm here. Where's my other glove? Oh, there's. Oh. What the heck is that? Oh. Smells. Yeah, very clammy. Look, it's been down there for a while. Sick. Oh, is there something on it? What is that? Check this out. Scrap metal, nail, and a lure. Not in good condition. It's been down there a while, but hey, still got color. What do we got here? Possibly a fishing line. If you know what that is, let me know. Oh. Yo, last throw. Look what I got. And they're worked. Let's go. Look at this. Those are sweet. Those have not been down there long. A little de-ruster or something, and hey, brand new pair of pliers, baby. These are mint. I don't know how I found 2 pairs of pliers today. Let's go. Beauty day for a magnet fishing session. Look at that sunset. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was the second magnet fishing video I've ever done. If you like that video, let me know.